Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the 1970s, a time of peace signs, long hair, flower power, and some very unique foods. These are 25 real foods hippies actually ate in 1970s communes. Let's get started. 1. Brown rice. The one commune staple, cheap, filling, and spiritually cleansing. 2. Lentil soup. Protein-packed and perfect for feeding a whole group. 3. Homemade granola. Rolled oats, honey, seeds, the ultimate hippie breakfast. 4. Sprouts. Alfalfa and mung bean sprouts grown in jars right in the kitchen. 5. Tofu. Made at home before it became a grocery store trend. 6. Herbal tea. Mint, chamomile, and whatever plants were growing nearby. 7. Whole wheat bread. Baked in outdoor stone ovens on many communes. 8. Peanut butter. Homemade, chunky, and spread on everything. 9. Carob bars. A chocolate alternative they convinced themselves tasted good. 10. Granola cookies. Sweet snacks made from oats, nuts, and molasses. 11. Lentil burgers. 100% plant-based, way before it was cool. 12. Brown rice casserole. Rice, veggies, beans, easy to make for big crowds. 13. Garden vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, kale, grown organically. 14. Goat milk. Fresh from the commune goats, sometimes too fresh. 15. Yogurt. Homemade with goat or cow milk, probiotic before probiotics. 16. Wild berries. Foraged blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. 17. Honey. Collected from commune beehives, natural sweetener of choice. 18. Oatmeal. Cheap, hearty breakfast for cold mornings outdoors. 19. Trail mix. Nuts, seeds, dried fruit, originally a hippie invention. 20. Herbal stews. Veggies plus herbs plus whatever was growing in the garden. 21. Rice pudding. Brown rice boiled with milk and sweetened with honey. 22. Dandelion greens. Foraged free food tossed into salads. 23. Kombucha. Yep, homebrewed in mason jars with a mysterious floating scoby. 24. Whole grain pancakes. Made with stone ground flour milled on the commune. 25. Homemade jam. Strawberry, peach, and wild plum, stored in glass jars for winter. And that's what people were really eating inside 1970s hippie communes. Simple, natural, homemade, and sometimes experimental. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment which decade we should explore next. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. Victory.